So I'm going to be cooking one of my favourite dishes. It's a dish I do a lot at home, Katsu Curry. A real crowd pleaser, you know, normally done with crispy panko crumbed chicken, but this is a great alternative. It's daring crispy fillet. So I'm going to start by caramelising the veg. So that's our daring crispy fillets. What I've did is I've actually deep fried them and they are really, really crispy. Just a couple of minutes. They're made of wheat protein, so the product's already cooked, so fundamentally all you're doing is crisping them up. But they also pan fry, and they can also put them through the oven as well, but it just takes just a little bit longer. So we're ready to plate up.